Hey, welcome back to the Coronacation bar, everybody. Caught me just in time. I'm on my way out. Gonna go catch a few last minute waves. But I got a guest bartender coming in any minute now for you, so happy hour is about to get started. Enjoy yourself. I'm out. Oh yeah, what's good, baby? What's good, fam damly? How's everybody doing tonight? Appreciate y'all having me out here. It's your boy, Peezy. You know, doing my side hustle, working a few shifts here at the Coronacation bar, sling a few drinky drinks. Ain't nothing to it, ain't not a thing. You know, it's hard out here right now for a pimp. Man, these streets, Corona trying to keep me down, but I ain't having it. So, make a little cocktail here tonight. I see y'all out here with your little bullshit gin and tonics, and I'm like, man, y'all need to step your game up. So, I prepared a little drink here for you tonight. It's called Pimpin Ain't Easy, but bartending is. So, get started. Put a little ice in the shake piece here. Yo, it's about the most pimp liquor out there on the market. Beefeater, you see this motherfucker on the cover? Tell me he ain't a pimp. Shit, Beefeater, 2 ounces. Now, some more bullshitters out there on your little elderflower liqueur game, your Saint Germain. No, creme de violet, or as I like to call it, creme de violence, because you're going to be straight slaying them with this motherfucker. Purple as a motherfucker. 1 ounce. Now, again, it's got to be pimp ingredients. There's some damn limoncello, aloe, half an ounce. Yeah. All right, now, give a little shaky shake. Peezy. All right, now, I ain't doing this one. I ain't doing this motherfucker either. I gotta have some pimp. Gotta have a goddamn goblet. Fresh ice. Strain that right on top. Purple as a motherfucker.
Hey, let me get that purple stuff.
Y'all don't know nothing about that creme de violence. Next, just want to top that off with a little of that dry Canada tonic water. Splash it in. Give it a little stir. Now, finish this off. Just gonna do a little lemon twist. And you know what? Just gonna throw some motherfucking raspberries in there. So pimp, raspberries, you want to make something pimp? Put them shits in my bathtub just cause pimp. Anyway, pimping ain't easy, but bartending is. I'm your boy, Peezy. See you on the flip. Later.
For a more complete pimp experience, place a motherfucking pimp-ass purple straw in there. Out.